Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to prepare for a watch hour boosting. So before we start watching the videos on the playlist, there are some things we need to do. So first we go to the library. And then we go to watch later. Now we remove all those previous videos from the last task. And after that, just refresh the page and take a screenshot of the watch later. So importante po yung screenshot ng watch later kasi makikita po doon yung account na ginamit. So sa ilalim ng watch later, nandun po yung account used. So next is we need to delete the watch history and time watched. In my other video, naka-indicate po dun on how to do it step by step. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you now. So pumunta po tayo sa library, punta tayo sa profile, and then click settings, history and privacy, and clear watch history. Once you do this, both watch history and time watch will be deleted. So check po natin. Go back again to history. Now it's gone. So we take a screenshot. Yan. So bali, dalawa na yung screenshots natin. At yung pangatlo naman, yung time watched. So again, we go to time watched. Just click on your profile on the right side and then click time watched. So makikita nyo, it is 0. And then take a screenshot. So if tapos na yung tatlong screenshots, we go now to find the link. So saan nga ba makikita yung link? So you don't have to worry about that. Ibibigay lang yan ng admin. So you just have to click the link and then you will be redirected to Google Chrome. So this is the most important part. We need to transfer these videos to watch later para ma-count yung watch hours natin. So just click this button in the corner right and then click add all to and then click watch later. Yun. So after that, you may refresh or you may directly go to your YouTube application. So in order to see if na-transfer ba, we'll go to the library. And then click watch later. And just refresh. And then makikita nyo na yung mga videos na na-transfer sa watch later. Ayan. And then we need to take a screenshot to indicate that the videos are transferred to watch later and also the account used under the watch later. So in total we have 4 screenshots and we just have to send it to the GC and then we can start watching. So that's all for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.